Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of zebras. I mean, who doesn't love these striking creatures? With their bold black and white stripes, they're not just beautiful, they're also incredibly interesting in so many ways. So, let's talk about what makes zebras unique, their behavior, their social structure, and a few fun facts that might surprise you. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. Those iconic stripes. You might think they're just for show, right? Well, it turns out those stripes serve a purpose. Scientists have debated this for years, and while the exact reason is still up for discussion, there are a few leading theories. One popular idea is that the stripes help with camouflage. When zebras are in a herd, their stripes can create a visual illusion that confuses predators. It's like a natural magic trick. When they move together, it becomes hard for a lion or a hyena to single out one zebra to chase. How cool is that? Another theory suggests that the stripes help regulate body temperature. Zebras live in some pretty hot environments, and the contrasting colors could create air currents that help keep them cool. Then there's the idea that stripes repel biting insects. It turns out, flies are less attracted to striped surfaces. So, those stripes might just be a built-in insect repellent. Nature is so clever, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the different species of zebras. There are three main types: the plains zebra, the grevy's zebra, and the mountain zebra. The plains zebra is the most common and can be found in the savannas and grasslands of Africa. They're the ones you often see in documentaries, grazing in large herds. The grevy's zebra, on the other hand, is a bit more unique. They have narrower stripes and are larger than their plains cousins. They primarily inhabit the semi-arid regions of Kenya and Ethiopia. Unfortunately, they're also endangered, with their populations declining due to habitat loss and hunting. The mountain zebra, as the name suggests, lives in mountainous areas and has a slightly different stripe pattern, with a more grid-like appearance on their bodies. Each species has adapted to its environment in fascinating ways. Now, let's get into their social lives. Zebras are incredibly social animals. They live in groups called herds, which can vary in size from just a few individuals to several dozen. Within these herds, zebras form strong bonds. They have a unique way of communicating with each other through vocalizations, body language, and even facial expressions. Ever seen a zebra nuzzle another? That's a sign of affection and bonding. They're like the social butterflies of the animal kingdom, always interacting with one another, grooming each other, and keeping a lookout for potential threats. It's heartwarming to see how they care for their young, too. A mother zebra will fiercely protect her foal, and the foal will learn to recognize its mother's unique stripe pattern. Imagine that. Every zebra has its own unique stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. Speaking of foals, did you know that a zebra foal can stand and run within just a few hours of being born? That's pretty impressive. In the wild, being able to keep up with the herd is crucial for survival. Zebras are prey animals, which means they have to be alert and ready to flee at a moment's notice. Their speed and agility help them escape predators, and they can reach speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most humans can run. Now, let's talk about their diet. Zebras are herbivores, which means they primarily eat grass, leaves, and shrubs. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from tough grasses that many other animals can't digest. They spend a lot of their day grazing, and their teeth are perfectly adapted for grinding down fibrous plant material. It's fascinating how they've evolved to thrive in their specific habitats, relying on the resources available to them. And here's a fun tidbit for you. Zebras are known for their distinctive vocalizations. They can make a variety of sounds, including barks, whinnies, and even snorts. Each sound has its own meaning, whether it's a call to alert others of danger or a way to communicate with their young. Imagine a whole herd chattering away, each one contributing to the symphony of the savanna. Now, Let's touch on conservation. As I mentioned earlier, some zebra species are facing serious threats. Habitat loss, poaching, and competition with livestock have led to declining populations, particularly for the Grevy's zebra. Conservation efforts are underway, with organizations working to protect their habitats, create wildlife corridors, and raise awareness about the importance of these incredible animals. It's crucial for us to support these efforts because zebras play a vital role in their ecosystems. They help maintain the balance of grasslands and provide food for predators, contributing to the overall health of their environment. So, the next time you see a zebra, whether it's in a documentary, a zoo, or even on a safari, take a moment to appreciate all the amazing things about them. They're not just beautiful creatures. They're complex social animals with fascinating behaviors and adaptations. Whether it's their striking stripes, their strong social bonds, or their important role in the ecosystem, zebras are truly remarkable. And who knows? Maybe they'll inspire you to learn more about wildlife conservation and the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this little journey into the world of zebras.